Hey there, Slingshot friends. All right, so we are discontinuing our double layer bands. We got a really good reason for this. Double layer bands, well, they're kind of fiddly. They take up a lot of room. Oftentimes it's difficult to get them adjusted properly on your Slingshot. And really, they're just not as efficient as a single layer band. We're going to show you why. So we are swapping out our double layer bands for different tapers in precise latex. So what we've got here today is we've got this is the double layer band set for our 3/8 ammo that we've been selling. So this is 2 layers of the SimpleShot Black and a 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch taper. This is about 27 thousandths of an inch thick. We were replacing it with Precise Red, which is roughly 25 thousandths of an inch thick. So thinner and just a ever so slightly wider taper, but single layer. So what we're going to do is we're going to measure the draw weight, then we're going to shoot it over the chronograph to show you why exactly we just want to stick with single layer bands. One, they're easier to make for everybody. They can generally be more accurate. There's less chances of the bands being of unequal tension. And you just don't need that heavy draw weight. So let's check this out. So we're going to start with our existing double layer bands. So these bands are set up at my draw length, or my active length of 6 inches for a 30-inch draw. So we're going to go ahead and draw these out to 30 inches and see what the draw weight is. All right, just shy of 18 pounds of resistance. That's pretty daggone heavy. All right, and now the precise latex that's going to replace it. And we're at 12 pounds. All right, so 12 pounds versus 18 pounds. It's a pretty significant increase in draw weight. Now let's see how this relates on the chronograph. So again, these are bands that we're demonstrating here. Were optimized for 3/8 ammo. So let's shoot a few across the chronograph. All right, so we'll start with the SimpleShot Black, double layer bands, 18 pounds. All right, 231, 226, and 222. So we'll call that around, say, 224, 225 for a double layer at 18 pounds. Then we'll switch over to the Precise that's set up for shooting 3/8 single layer. And I believe, what did we say there, 8 pounds or so. Was it 8 pounds? 12 pounds. 12 pounds versus the 18 pounds. 221. All right, so apples to apples there. So what we see is a double layer band set that weighs, gets 6 pounds more resistance. Really doesn't shoot any faster than a thinner latex in a single layer. So that's the reason we are discontinuing the double layer band sets. With a tapered band set and single layer, you can shoot just as fast as you can with double layered band sets. Now, of course, the caveat is if you're shooting really heavy ammo, sometimes a double layer band set is of advantage. But for standard ammo sizes, it's really not necessary. So we're saying goodbye to the double layered bands. If you enjoyed them, we'll have them on closeout. Buy up a bunch of them because we won't bring them back. Get out, shoot your Slingshot, grab a chronograph, experiment, teach a kid how to shoot, have fun. We'll see you at SimpleShot. Take care.